Day. Welcome to Exploring Volcanoes, a fiery adventure. Have you ever wondered what a volcano really is? Well, get ready, because we're diving deep into the heart of one of Earth's most powerful creations, a volcano. A volcano is like a giant mountain, but it's not just any mountain. It's a living, breathing mountain that can sometimes explode. Volcanoes are found all over the world, on land, on islands, and even under the sea. Some are tall and cone-shaped, like you see in the movies, while others are wide and flat, kind of like a warrior's shield. Each one has its own unique story. Deep inside every volcano, there's something amazing called magma. Magma is super hot, melted rock that swells and bubbles just beneath the Earth's crust. We're talking incredibly hot, over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt almost anything in its path. So, what happens when all that heat and pressure builds up inside the volcano? Boom! The volcano erupts. Hot magma bursts out through the top, shooting fiery lava ash and rocks high into the sky. It's a spectacular display of nature's power. Once that magma reaches the surface, we give it a new name: lava. It flows down the sides of the volcano like a glowing river of fire, lighting up the night sky in a brilliant, fiery dance. But volcanoes don't just destroy, they create. When the lava cools down, it hardens into solid rock. Over time, layer upon layer of this new rock builds up to form new land, create new islands, and even produce incredibly rich soil that helps plants and forests grow. Did you know that beautiful places like Hawaii and Iceland were actually created by volcanoes? From tropical paradises to icy landscapes, volcanoes are the ultimate architects. The scientists who study volcanoes are called volcanologists. They are like volcano detectives. They use special tools like seismographs to measure tiny shakes in the ground and drones to monitor changes in gas and temperature. By carefully studying all this data, they can often predict when a volcano might erupt, which is super important for helping to keep people who live nearby safe. So, the next time you see a volcano, whether it's in a book, a movie, or a science project, remember it's not just a mountain. It's a fiery adventure happening deep inside our planet. From rivers of lava to new islands being born, volcanoes show us just how dynamic and amazing Earth really is. Thanks for exploring with us on this fiery adventure. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with a friend and subscribe for more awesome science adventures. See you next time.